What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, as some of you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, and if you want to make any Italian dishes or romantic dinners from scratch with your loved one, I'm going to show you how to make garlic bread. So, as you know, garlic bread just goes good with just about any and all Italian dishes. So, let's go over what we need. So to make garlic bread, you obviously need a loaf of French bread. You also need some garlic. You also need some butter. And this is optional. Oregano and parsley is optional. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, or you can preheat your broiler feature. It's up to you, but if you don't have a broiler, just preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First things first, you're going to take half a stick of butter and you're going to put it in the microwave, and you're going to soften it in the microwave. A good tip, set it for 10 seconds at half power. Alright, so next up you're going to take you're going to need about 3 scoops of garlic. And you're going to mix up the butter and the garlic together. About 3 scoops should do. So next you're going to take a serrated knife and you're going to cut between the edges of this bread. Make sure you cut at the soft spots of the bread only. Just be careful. Cut where it's soft, basically. There we go. Next up you're going to take your buttery garlic concoction you mix together, and you're going to spread it on top of the bread, on the French bread. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to add some oregano on the top of this bread. Then next up you're going to open your broiler and you're going to set your garlic bread down onto this tray, and you're going to leave it in there for 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes are up. I'm gonna take this garlic bread out of the broiler. Whoa! Whoa! It's hot! It's hot! It's hot! Careful when you pull it out. It's extremely hot. All right, so this is how your final product should look like. I'm actually going to sample a piece right now. I did a good job. So that's how to make garlic bread. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.